Hey guys, welcome back to Fit Girls Empire. I'm Issa.
And I'm Hannah.
Today we have a stretching video for you. The first stretch is a partner straddle. So when you do this stretch, make sure your knees and your toes are pointed up to the ceiling, and you should feel the stretch in your inner thighs and a little bit in your hip and groin area.
The second stretch is a partner pike stretch. So you're going to put your feet flat against your partner's feet and grab hands and gently pull them. Make sure not to pull them too hard, but you want to feel the stretch in the backs of your knees and your hamstrings.
So after that, we're going to start with split progressions. The first thing we'll start with is a lunge on one of your knees, tucking your tailbone under so you feel the stretch in your hip flexor. After that, you'll stand up on both legs and bend over, make a mountain. You'll feel the stretch in your hamstrings, and then we'll go into a split. Now you only want to hold this for about 20 seconds at a time so you don't overstretch.
The fourth stretch we're going to do is a bridge. So you're going to put your hands by your ears, you're going to lay flat on your back and push up into a bridge position. You can have a partner gently pull your shoulders to stretch a little bit. If you haven't done this before, just make sure you go real slow and don't overstretch.
Our fifth stretch is partner shoulders, so grab a buddy. This is for opening up the pectoral muscles right here. A lot of us are really tight and cathartic from typing on keyboards or, browsing the internet too much, so we have a lot of this. So getting that nice and stretched open can help with any neck and back pain you might have.
And our burnout stretch for this video is going to be a froggy split. So it's going to be a half middle split on your knees, and we're just going to hold that for 20 seconds and feel the stretch in our hip and groin area and really open up that hip flexor stretch.
Let's go.
It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how.
#limber.
Alright guys, thank you for stretching with us. We hope you feel nice and limber.
Make sure that you comment down below what other types of videos you'd like to see so we can make them for you, and make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and help support us.
Follow me on Instagram, so like a fit.
And I'm fitgirl_Han.